And I think it's the only country that had musical theatre as major catalysts for freedom.
You left when you were 21 in 1960, yes?
Yes.
And what made you decide to do that?
To do what?
To leave?
Oh, I wanted to get the kind of education that people like Miles Davis and Dizzy Gillespie and Clifford Brown and Duke Ellington and all of them got, and I couldn't get in South Africa. So the priest who got me my first trumpet was later Archbishop Trevor Huddleston. Came to South Africa, I think in 1943 or something like that, and he was from British Right. He was actually a cousin to the Queen, but he came to live in Sophia Town, which was a very integrated African-owned settlement in the middle of